The 2025 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP has finally arrived, and it's already making waves in the superbike world. This machine is Honda's answer to riders who crave the thrill of MotoGP-inspired engineering packed into a street-legal package. For years, the Fireblade has been known for its precision handling, cutting-edge tech, and that unmistakable Honda reliability, but the 2025 model takes it up another notch. From the first glance, you can tell this bike means business. The aggressive, aerodynamic bodywork looks sharper than ever, with new winglets seamlessly integrated into the fairings, boosting downforce for better stability at high speeds. Honda has clearly put a lot of wind tunnel testing into this, and it shows when you tuck in and feel how planted the front end stays. The bike's color scheme pops under the sunlight, with a premium finish that just screams superbike royalty. Underneath that beautiful fairing is a revised 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that now pushes out more horsepower than last year's model. Honda has managed to squeeze out extra ponies while keeping the throttle response razor sharp. On paper, it produces around 220 horsepower, but the way it delivers that power is what makes the Fireblade SP so special. The acceleration is brutal yet incredibly smooth, and the quickshifter works flawlessly both up and down the gears. Honda's engineers have also updated the electronics suite, giving riders even more ways to tailor the bike to their riding style. You've got multiple riding modes, lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, engine braking adjustments, and a refined launch control system. The 6-axis IMU does a brilliant job of keeping everything in check, even when you're pushing it to the absolute limit. The Fireblade SP comes standard with a lean semi-active electronic suspension front and rear. This system constantly adapts to the road or track conditions, giving you the perfect balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. On the road, you'll appreciate how it soaks up bumps without sacrificing feedback, but get it on a smooth track and it stiffens up to keep the bike glued to the tarmac through corners. Braking is handled by top-of-the-line Brembo Stylema calipers biting down on massive discs. The feel at the lever is phenomenal, with loads of power and excellent feedback, giving you the confidence to brake later and harder than you ever thought possible. And yes, Honda's cornering ABS makes sure you stay safe even if you get a little too ambitious on the brakes mid-turn. The riding position is aggressive but surprisingly manageable. The clip-ons are low enough for an aerodynamic tuck, yet not so low that you feel like you're folded in half after an hour of riding. The new seat is firmer and slimmer, which gives you better feedback from the rear end and makes it easier to move your body around during spirited rides. The TFT display is clear, bright, and fully customizable, showing all the info you need at a glance. Honda's user interface has improved, making it simple to toggle between settings even with gloves on. And for the first time, the Fireblade SP comes with smartphone connectivity, so you can view notifications and even use turn-by-turn navigation if you want to take this beast for a longer trip. Fire up the engine and the sound alone is worth the price of admission. The titanium Akrapovic exhaust, which comes standard on the SP, delivers a throaty roar at idle and an absolutely ferocious scream as you climb towards the red line. It's the kind of sound that sends shivers down your spine and turns heads wherever you go. On the road, the Fireblade SP is surprisingly well behaved at lower speeds. The fueling is smooth, and the clutch action is light, so city riding is doable, but make no mistake, this bike lives for the track. Take it to an open circuit and it transforms into a precision weapon, rewarding skilled riders with levels of performance that few other machines can match. Whether you're carving up your favorite twisties or blasting down the main straight, the 2025 Fireblade SP makes every ride feel special. Honda has once again proven why the Fireblade name commands so much respect. It's not just about raw power, it's about the perfect balance of power, handling, and technology that makes you feel completely connected to the machine. The 2025 Honda CBR1000RR-R Fireblade SP isn't just a superbike, it's a statement that Honda still knows exactly how to build one of the greatest motorcycles on the planet. If you get the chance to ride one, take it. You won't regret it.